All those scenarios can help us make important business decisions. Repeatedly switching scenarios can become time consuming. To compare the results from multiple scenarios on a single worksheet, I can create a report either as an Excel table or as a pivot table. To create a scenario summary report, you must identify which result cells you want to include in the report. I will display these three cells along with the values of the input cell defined by the scenario in the report. To create the scenario summary report, open the Scenario Manager dialog box. Click What If Analysis arrow button. Click Scenario Manager. Click the Summary button. You have two types of scenario summary is here. First, I select Scenario Summary. Check this box. This box is already checked. Make sure that the reference in the result cells box is selected. Select these three cells. Click OK. The scenario summary report is inserted in the workbook as a new worksheet. Now I can easily view the net income of the company under these four scenarios. I do not need to select any scenario. So the scenario summary report displays the values of the changing cells and result cells under each scenario. Each scenario is listed by name and the current worksheet values are also displayed. Note that the report uses the defined names you created earlier to identify the changing and result cells. The defined names make the report simpler to interpret. In this way, the scenario summary is created in the Scenario Manager dialog box.